Greetings, beautiful humans. Wishing you a blessed Bealtaine. This is one I wrote last year. Popped up in my memories today. And it feels like it's obviously what I was going through last year, but very relevant to today. Man of fire, man of power, man of love swimming through a sea of fear, with only a life preserver of trust. This man offers nothing but himself, standing strong in the ruins of a dying world, waiting, just waiting, a little longer for all the old games to finish up so the great game of evolution can continue. This man is building a bridge between all parts of himself, connecting all the cells and harmonizing his true being. This man knows the way, his own way, and he cannot be led astray. With a call to adventure and a calling for peace, this man walks out boldly on his own 2 feet, supported by his allies of eons ago, cherished by his beloveds we do not yet know. Feeling his presence, surrounded by his tribe, his heart is wide open. His soul has returned. He enters the fire, ready to be burned. May this season of Bealtaine see the fires spreading from the fire of Ishnok at the heart of Ireland, through every fire, in every home, in every candle, in every flame, across the world, across the tribes of humanity, connected, united, uniting as one. May we all unite this Bealtaine. May we rise like the phoenix from the ashes. May we let go of the old ways, of the old games. I don't want to go back to normal. I don't want to step back into a dead system, a dead game. Let's take this great opportunity and rise together in deep knowing of our true power, passion, and purpose as beings, custodians, guardians of this beautiful Mother Earth, and what we can do together in cooperation and collaboration. One love, united in peace, for life, for the light, for the future, for all of us. Go Meake, may it be. Much love, peace, and blessings.